I am Prithivi Raj Chauhan from New Delhi and I am a teacher by profession. I teach mathematics from class 9 up to graduation for CBSE, ICSE and state boards like UP and Bihar Boards. I also teach competitive classes for NDA, JEE and Polytechnic. Apart from this, I teach physics exclusively for CBSE students from class 9 to 12th. I have a B.Tech in electronics and communication engineering. I have 4 years of experience in teaching. I have won the State Mathematics Championship of Delhi in 2008, 2010 and 2012. Till date, I have taught around 1,000 students, in which many have been selected in NITS and State Engineering exams. My students have also been rank holders in Delhi Polytechnic Entrance exams. I have been teaching online for more than 6 months. Students from Delhi and Haryana attend my classes. I encourage a lot of doubts and questions. I dedicate special time to answer individual queries. I use a lot of visual aids in teaching and keep my class interactive and responsive with a touch of a humor. I respond to email queries and messages within a short time. I use digital media for a lot of learning, new developments in the field of my teaching. Sulekha's e-learning gives you the wonderful opportunity to learn subjects with the most advanced means and from experts like me. It's easy and very flexible to make learning really helpful and would be perfect for all your exams, keeping your syllabus in mind. Thank you.